Hello everyone. Today let's talk about differential oil seal. This product made of rubber and metal, and the size is internal diameter is 97.5, external diameter is 162 and 175, and the sink is 16 and 24. This product has with a spring, and this has many following features. The first one is with longer service life and good brushing resistance, high temperature resistance and oil leakage prevention, good structure aging resistance, and mud-proof water. Thickened spring and thickened skeleton. Thickened spring with this has with spring, and it applicable to DONGFENG 485 differential oil seal. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.